Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new here or maybe just haven't seen one before, I used to make not a ton, but a decent amount of herping / fishing videos on here as well, just to kind of mix things up in between all the Warhammer content, as it is like my other main hobby is just like outdoor stuff in general with nature. Not that those videos ever get like a ton of views or anything, but it is something that I just enjoy doing and sharing with people that care to see it. I didn't really make any though for a really long time, so instead what I'm going to do is just kind of do a quick little year review of some of the cool stuff I found / caught in 2023, and it's just going to be kind of a quick and casual chill video. Probably not a whole ton of talking. I'll just kind of add a little bit of background info if it's something kind of interesting. So just if it's something you like, just enjoy this little like slideshow of pics and videos of cool stuff I found. And yeah, that's about it. There's an absolutely monstrous fall fish, creek chub, shiner, whatever you want to call it. 14.5 inches. Not a bad looking fish, really.
You lost him?
Did you get a picture? Well, I can't catch a catfish to save my fucking life anymore. And I got one of these bastards. Oh, don't flop. That is... Oop. Nose. I'll call it... pretty bang on 31. Yeah, pretty bang on 31 inch gar pike. So I was part of a all-year multi-species fishing tournament through my work, and basically you got 1 point for the longest fish of every different kind of fish, and we had the whole season to do it. So you're gonna see me getting a little bit excited like that gar pike over some like random nonsense fish, and basically that was because those were like kind of weird, hard to get points that I was going for to try to win this tournament. I ended up getting second place. The one guy just went absolutely insane and just destroyed everybody else, but I got a comfortable second place, and it was mostly due to weird fish. I actually didn't keep the gar pike point. He got a massive like 46-inch one or something that I wasn't going to get close to, at least not without great effort. So, but yeah, that'll explain a couple of the like odd fish that I seem oddly excited about coming up here. So this was a little bit tragic. This was a fun day in the canoe with my kids, and we were out fishing for pike, and I lost what would have easily been my PB pike, my biggest pike ever. And if you look at this lure, what happened was we actually got it right up to the side of the canoe. The kids all got a good look at it. It was half in the net, kind of flopped over the side of it, and then the hook broke off of the lure, and it was the hook that was in its mouth, and the pike got away. So the pike literally like snapped the hook off of my lure. So it was pretty tragic. We were all pretty upset about it, but it was still a fun day out. Would you stop? say 30, say 39 and a half. Yeah, say 39 and a quarter. We'll be generous, but yeah, 39 and a half, 39 and a quarter. Chinook salmon. Well, I got his little friend cooking on the fire over there, and he'll lay straight. We've got a 10, maybe 10 and a quarter. White perch. Is it white perch or white bass, Kyle? You tell me, but either way, that's another point for me, and probably a snack for later at the rate I'm going.